Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how awesome this DampRid is. It's an awesome product. If you want to check it out, just check out the link I left in the description below. But I highly recommend this product if you have any kind of moisture issues or any kind of musty smell inside your home or even in your car. They have products that you can put in your vehicle as well. But this one is actually designed to go in your home. But I use this in the hallway, in bathrooms, in areas where you have a lot of mildew and musty smells. This is what the DampRid container looks like after about 2.5 months of use. And as you can see, there's at least 8 ounces or 1 cup of water in here. So whenever you buy the DampRid brand new, it's going to have these little white flakes in there that absorbs moisture, and it has these little yellow balls in there as well. But as the time goes on and it absorbs a whole bunch of moisture, it basically dissolves and there's almost nothing left. So you just have to dump out the water into the toilet or your sink, and then it has a refillable package, and you just fill it back up to the top and then put your little cap right back on it again and then place it in your desired area. I love to use this stuff in bathrooms or areas that have high humidity and some serious musty odor issues. It's highly effective and it lasts several months depending on how much moisture you have, but obviously the more moisture you have, like in the shower areas or bathrooms, they don't last as long. But definitely check out this product. They come in a variety of sizes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video, and as always, thank you all for watching.